Excellence is more than a mere aspiration. It is a profound commitment to reach the highest standards in every endeavor.
In a disease like cancer, where there is practically a life and death situation, excellence in our treatment services is like an inescapable necessity.
We asked ourselves a question, can we do it alone? And the answer was probably yes. But then how far and how fast can we go alone?
Fighting cancer is not a single man job. It is always a team effort. Whenever the collective decisions are taken by a team of experts, it is always a better decision as compared to a single person.
40 years before, when I entered medical oncology as a postgraduate student, cancer was a very uncommon problem or very uncommon disease. Nobody thought then that the incidence of cancer will rise so significantly over next 3-4 decades. Those days people were generally treated at regional cancer centers and very few small departments in larger corporate hospitals. Both these options have limitation of frequent distance to travel and a possible high cost.
MBBS के बाद कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में रेसिडेंसी के दरमियान कैंसर पेशेंट्स की मुश्किलों का पता चल गया था। इसीलिए हमने निर्णय लिया था कि लोगों में बीच में जाकर कम्युनिटी कैंसर प्रैक्टिस ही करना है।
What is community practice? We decided to offer our services in a distributed network, in the patient's vicinity, and in an asset-light infrastructure to ensure both the convenience and the cost benefit to the patient. We began this concept in city of Ahmedabad, and our counterparts did it in Maharashtra to establish the proof of concept. We had our respective challenges, but the impact we could create parallelly in terms of healing and touching patient lives was worth the time and effort spent.
It is the right time for us to join hands to achieve improved strength and synergy in terms of expertise and experience, offer personalized care to patients through dedicated efforts in precision oncology and cancer research, improve the reach of cancer care in our country, further reduce the cost and distance the patient has to travel, serve as a career opportunity to aspiring oncologists, and develop a comprehensive medical management program for BMT.
आज की तारीख में कैंसर की काफ़ी सारी सारवार उपलब्ध है और इसकी वजह से काफ़ी अच्छा नतीजा भी पेशेंट को मिल रहा है। ये सारवार बहुत लंबी चलती है और जिनका रिकरेंट कैंसर है उनकी ट्रीटमेंट तो मानो चलती ही जाती है। ट्रीटमेंट काफ़ी कॉस्टली भी होती है और इसमें पेशेंट को अक्सर लंबे दूरी तक जाना भी पड़ता है। ये होता है कि खर्च की वजह से या तो लंबी दूरी की वजह से पेशेंट अक्सर ट्रीटमेंट बीच में छोड़ देते हैं।
इलाज बंद होना मतलब ट्रीटमेंट में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होना, और अगर ट्रीटमेंट में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होगा तो हमारा रिजल्ट भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होगा। इसीलिए कम्युनिटी ऑन्कोलॉजी सेंटर या कम्युनिटी ऑन्कोलॉजी केयर बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है।
कैंसर के हर मरीज को सही ट्रीटमेंट मिले, उसके घर के नज़दीक मिले और वो उस ट्रीटमेंट को फाइनेंशियल बैरियर्स के बावजूद पूरी कर पाए।
Together, we aspire to be the leading institution in oncology, dedicated in improving outcomes and enhancing quality of life of the cancer patients across the nation.
With this common vision and mission, both are coming together and joining hands. So it will be a very fast journey.
We wish to serve society as an institute that is symbol of excellence in cancer care. HOC and MOC, we both collectively wish to achieve this goal together.
It's imperative that cancer care should not be restricted to the ivory towers of oncology that we have currently, or government hospitals alone, or very high-end private institutes.
The moment patient walks into our doors, they are embraced by a team dedicated for their wellness. Our pursuit of excellence should be evident in every patient interaction, in every treatment plan, and in every success story.